Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to the TikTok app and tap to open it. Once you open the TikTok app, from the right bottom of the screen, open the profile. In Profile, let's navigate to the right top corner and tap on these three horizontal lines. A menu pop up from the bottom. From this menu, open Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down the page and find the Report a Problem option. Here we have this option in Support and About. Open this option. In the Topics section, open Account and Profile. Open the Editing Profile drop-down. As you can see, we don't have age changing or update option, so open another option. At the very bottom, tap on Need More Help. Here, we have to write feedback to the TikTok support team. What you need to do is write some text like I am doing here. In the text, mention your birthday that you mention in the TikTok profile is incorrect and need help to update it. You can add a screenshot or a short video for more detail. Once you complete, submit your report, and the TikTok support team contact you within 1 or 2 business days and help you in changing your age on your TikTok profile. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.